Olabise bulungi, onyirira bulungi, fanana bulungi. Olabise bulungi, otunula bulungi, ofanana bulungi.
Zabadda buuza nze nnyabo akavidiyo kakoleddewa.
Alright, yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And yes, this is Maurice, the Crochet Master's channel. So this time around, sorry about my voice today. I have a terrible cough, but I'll try to make sure that you hear me well. So today, we're going to see something that is very interesting. You know, I've managed to grow her hair to this level. Yes, she had straight laxed hair, and we had to grow it back to natural hair. And beside that, we have managed to do it this way. So these are the simple hairstyles that we always do when it comes to her natural hair. And to those ones who have been doing the cornrows, this is also something else that is different from the cornrows that you've been doing. And I would like you to rate me from 1 to 10, yes, as you have seen. And it is very interesting. We're going to do it without any hair extension added on. So to those ones who would want to learn this method also, because it is very different from the cornrows that you've been seeing, like the yarn cornrows, the updo, the stitch. This is the side inward cornrows, so you will have to look at it very well. And those ones who would want to learn it, please just go the link in the description. Yes, you're going to see how to learn these cornrows. So I'm going to be moving it like this, and we see the result, how it's going to come out. Trust me, you're going to love it.
Jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala mulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Confidence said in muchikumi we give it out tetuleka you with the best to none. Anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga. Tuli ba big ballers, shot callers, tukola kwa babaze ulira. So high in the sky, we know how to make it glam and look so splash it. Everybody, clippers, we the best. 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 Hair by clippers. 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 Hair by kabadabuza nze nyabo akavideo kakoleddewa. Forgive me if I'm too bold nayo nyumide gwe nokamala. Bakutonye kaviri kulya kulaba kakwegomba ofananye African queen. Manicure pedicure checho wali ewamo bisidi crochet master bali professional mu byenviri bakugunyo. If you wanna look good come on visit bakukola kaviri nolabikanga queen. All in it like expected so good and fancy. Bakukola kaviri nolabikanga mutini. All in it like expected so good and elegant woman.
The minister's village alongside Jambo Goroni. All in the minister's village alongside Jambo Goroni.
Yeah, barkeeper.
He got the touch of a cricket master. Yeah. Oh no no no.
Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master yabako kolangako ako toto waza beauty na chichayo engeri jonjumye okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, the crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, oh no 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. Crochet master, he got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master.
Oh yes, now this is the best angle that you can see that I start with a small portion just like that and then I start braiding this way. It is somehow not difficult. Yes, when you learn how to do it, it's not difficult. And when someone looks at you as you're braiding may think like maybe it is painful or maybe it is like I don't know how I can explain, but if you try to look at my hands, they're really very very soft and it is just painless. So we're not adding anything, we're just braiding her own hair, and this is how we always make sure that her hair grows to that level with these simple way on how to do these protective hairstyles. So those ones who would want to join my master classes, yes, online, the link is in the description. And yes, those ones who are near me, you can come one-on-one and I teach you all these things. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out, and I would like you to rate me from 1 to 10 how you see about these natural side cornrows. Bye bye. May the Lord bless you all. Not forgetting to those ones who would want to purchase our products, our natural hair products. Yes, the link is in the description there. Go and shop on that website, Morris the Crochet Master. Yes, all those the products that we use, the detangler, the treatments are all there on the website. You go and shop them, plus the hair extension that I always use in most of my hairstyles.
He got the touch of a cricket master. Yeah. Oh no no no.
Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaka. You look so good. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh no 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 no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No no. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No no no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah yeah. A touch of a crochet master, Maurice. Yeah yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Maurice. You crochet master, Maurice. You crochet master, crochet master. No, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Yeah, yeah. No, no, Easy life and twatse kuchigonza. MDC here all bubu yatse kuchigonza. Yeah. Easy combi kunacho hair zigonza. Yeah. No sanity feeling atolina pain. Nina shampoo conditioner and treatment. Busy go byabatona bakulu and check this. Bigonza na kabidi no nebikanyiriza. Bikola kunacho straight hair and videos on easy comb for your hair. Yeah. Ne MDC. Holding a natural hair. MDC. Over straight hair. MDC. Hair oil. This one for you. Is it come for you? Yeah. MDC. Holding a natural hair. MDC. Over straight hair. Yeah. Hair oil. This one for you. Is it come for you? Yeah. MDC. Easy come. MDC. Easy come. MDC. Hair oil. This one for you. Is it come for you? Yeah. MDC. Easy come. MDC. Easy come. MDC. Hair oil. This one for you. Is it come for you? Yeah.
Ola bise bulungi, onyilila bulungi,
Yeah.
fanana bulungi. Ola bise bulungi, otunula bulungi, ofanana
Oh
bulungi.
na 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 na. Zabadabuza nzenyabo akavideo kakoleddewa. Forgive me if I'm too bold nayo nyumide gwe no kamala.
Hey, boy, clip hard.
Bakutonyetonya kaviri kulya kulaba kakwegomba ofananye African queen. Manicure, pedicure, checho. Wali ewamo bisidi crochet master. Bali professional mu byenviri bakugunyo. If you wanna look good, come and visit. Bakukola kaviri, nola bikanga queenie. Body neat like expected, so good and fancy. Bakukola kaviri, nola bikanga mutini. Body neat like expected, so good and elegant woman.
Ministers Village alongside Jambo Go Rodney.
Jambo Go Rodney, in the Ministers Village
Alongside Jambo Go Rodney. Yeah.
Here by keeper. For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do.